everybody, this is Zachary with The Independent. I have a really great product review for you today. It's the Back Easy Universal Handle. This handle fits everything from 7/8 all the way up to 1.5 inches. So I know you're thinking, will that fit my extraction wand? And yes, it will. All the carpet cleaning wands, it will fit. The only thing it will not fit is that 2-inch flood wand, unfortunately. However, it does fit everything else. So if you have a reducer cuff coming off the truck mount or the HVE 3000, taking it from a 2-inch to 1.5 inches, or a 3-inch down to a 2.5 inches, 2.5 inch. I don't know. Anyway, if you get it down to 1.5 inches, this thing will work. So, without further ado, let me get this set up, break it down, and show you how to install and modify it on site without ever heading to your truck. So, hope you enjoy. Let me show you guys exactly how this works. So, you'll notice you have your Allen key in the handle. That's the front, this is the back, and the Allen key locks in with a little pin here. So to get it out, you just simply press this, it slides out, you grab the Allen key, and let me see if I can get the right angle, but you can see the hole is actually shaped for the Allen key. Now this will prevent the Allen key from turning and twisting and falling out of the handle. But again, this little knob here, this helps secure the Allen key. Now all the nuts are recessed into the handle as well. And this thing is really cool because you don't need another tool. Once the Allen key is set up, you don't need another tool to hold it in place. The handle actually acts as a second set of hands at that point. So you just unscrew to loosen, lefty loosey, righty tighty. And as simple as that, this thing comes loose and allows you to adjust it, get the right height, get the right angle, and you're good to go. Now, once you get the right angle for things, all you do is hold it in place temporarily. You get the Allen key. Ooh, if I can get it in there. Get the Allen key, tighten it up. Tighten it up the way you would a lug nut on your car. Start with one side and slowly tighten. So that way you're using both of the screws. Once everything is really tight, simply slide the Allen key back into the handle. Again, it'll only let you do it on the right angle, which is great. Push in till you feel the click. It's locked. And there you go. This thing is secure. It's not coming off. Very easy to use, and this is the Back Easy handle. I think every restoration company should have at least 2 of these on the back of their truck. We have yet to break one, which we're going to try out momentarily. But you know, even if it does, you're talking less than $10 to replace. The Back Easy. All right, so behind me I have a typical work van. This is going to be a durability test for the Back Easy, and it's going to replicate just normal wear and tear on day-to-day use. So let's start in the van a couple times and see how well it holds up. See how it handles up against a regular hammer, and we're going to see what we can do with a demo hammer. Got done throwing this thing in the back of the van. We beat it on the bumper of the van. We hit it with a hammer. We hit it with a demo hammer. We hit it with a sledgehammer. We really went to town on this thing, and The only thing missing is the Allen key, which honestly is to be expected after the amount of abuse that this just went through. I was trying to get it to snap and break here, but it didn't. You can see that there's a little bit of stress-related damage here. However, it's still all in one piece. We have one little crack here, but that's because I was slamming it into the concrete. But the bolts, the nuts, everything held tight, held firm. It's still connected to the wand. The wand sustained more damage than the handle did, honestly, and it's still operational. As far as a handle goes, I'm very impressed with this. All right, so that wraps up our review on the Backeasy universal handle. All in all, really cool. I thought I was gonna break the guard with the sledgehammer, and it didn't. So this thing withstood quite a bit of damage, a lot more damage than on a job site somewhere, right? So I'm pretty confident you could run this thing over with your truck and you'd be good. You might do more damage to your tire than anything else. So really solid handle. For $10 to $15, you can't go wrong. You can't beat that. I think the OEM handles are like between 30 and 40 bucks. So for 10 to 15, you can't beat it. And it's lightweight too. So you're not gonna add a bunch of weight to the top side of your wand. If you attach it to like a squeegee wand or something like that for a Cat 3 or water loss on a hard surface floor. And they come in all the colors, which is an added bonus, right? So if you subscribe like we do to a particular color, ours is blue, if you couldn't tell, then Backeasy has you covered. So blue, red, yellow, green, I think orange. So check it out, Backeasy. Speaking of subscription, right? So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It'll notify you when we come out with additional content. Hit the like button also, share it with your friends. And if you want to be part of the larger discussion, check us out on Facebook, facebook.com/groups/IND Resto.